I'm going to show you an easy way to make homemade stickers. Draw or print your design on printer paper. Cut out your design and make sure to leave spaces around the edges so that it makes your sticker look more professional. Color your design with your choice of material. Put tape on top of the parchment paper, then put your design on top, and then put another roll of tape on top so that your sticker will come together. Lastly, cut it out. You can have fun with your sticker by keeping it somewhere, collecting it, or even giving it away.